Introducing Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent, affordable, indoor security camera. All controlled by a single app, so you can keep an eye on things at home, even when you're far away.
I wonder how the girls are doing.
And have peace of mind, knowing everything is okay. Put Cloud Cam on a shelf or mount it on the wall. With 1080p Full HD, advanced motion detection, two-way audio, night vision, and more, Cloud Cam has everything you need to monitor your home day or night. Cloud Cam will alert you when it sees activity, and two-way audio lets you hear and be heard.
Henry, get down from there.
You can access Cloud Cam using compatible Alexa-enabled devices. So if you hear something go bump in the night, you can use your voice to check it out and feel safer immediately.
Alexa, show me the back door.
And Echo Show's hands-free voice control makes it super easy to see live feeds from any room of your home without putting down what you're doing. So when your favorite dining companions are late for dinner, just ask, and Alexa can show you why.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
Free access to the last 24 hours of motion detection clips stored in the secure Amazon cloud means you'll never be left wondering how your daughter's toy got into your lunch. And when you upgrade to a subscription plan, Cloud Cam can even distinguish between actual people and general motion, so you'll only get the alerts that matter most.
Hey, buddy. You want to go for a walk?
Cloud Cam also powers the newest feature for Prime members. With Amazon Key, get free delivery of Amazon packages inside your front door. Plus, grant the people you trust access to your home, and use Cloud Cam to watch it all happen in real time. Get peace of mind in every room of your home with Amazon Cloud Cam. It's everything you need in an intelligent indoor security camera.
Waiting for hot water at a sink located far from a primary heating source can be frustrating. Cold water from a sink is just not useful. Plumbing a hot water line to every sink in a home or business requires time and money. That's impractical. To get hot water where it's needed, when it's needed, a better solution is to use the Tronic 3000T from Bosch, a point-of-use electric mini-tank water heater. The Tronic 3000T can supplement a primary water heater or be used under a single sink. In fact, the Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing water heater located far from the source, and as a buffer installed in line with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water, or cold water sandwich. In any configuration, there's minimal standby loss from this mini-tank water heater. There's no wait for hot water to arrive at a sink when it's needed. Tronic 3000T mini-tank water heaters from Bosch are compact and can be wall or floor mounted. They fit easily under a sink in a cabinet space, and because they have a sleek and attractive exterior design, they blend in seamlessly with existing decor when installed in a visible location. Available in 3 space-saving sizes, the 2.7 and 4-gallon units have a simple 120-volt AC plug-in connection, while the 7-gallon unit, which can supply 2 sinks simultaneously, must be hardwired. To install, a professional simply taps into a cold water line, provides an electrical connection, and installs the mini-tank water heater directly at the sink at point of use. The Tronic 3000T can be used at any sink where hot water doesn't exist or takes too long to reach. That includes a basement wet bar or patio kitchen station, a garage or attic, even in an RV or on a boat. No matter the application, with the Bosch Tronic 3000T, hot water will quickly be in hand, precisely where it's needed, saving time, water, and energy.
Bosch, invented for life.
Someone is missing a big boy. Oh, it looks like he's missing a tool.
Hi guys, hello.
Hey, I wanna play too.
Tina is here.
We miss you. I miss you too.
I think the key problem is you walk into a meeting room for a presentation, and instead of worrying about your pitch, about what you need to get across, you're worried about, can I connect? Can I get it working?
I was trying to do a presentation to basically our entire company, but I wanted to turn my laptop around to show people actually what was on my laptop screen. And as I was doing that, the HDMI cable actually broke off in my computer, and I went, uh-oh. This is not good.
They're a pain. You got to put these on, screw these stupid things in, and so they're kind of garbage. Pretty old school.
Here we are demoing their Airtame technology. You basically just plug in an Airtame into the screen, and then it's one click from here. As you can see, nothing is plugged into the computer. Seriously, cutting some cables help people to work better.
Put that away. Yeah, I don't like cables.